How to use adaptive or smart cruise control in your Hyundai vehicle. So the purpose of adaptive cruise control is to manage the speed and distance of your vehicle to the one in front of you without any driver intervention. Over longer road trips or in traffic with constantly changing speeds, this feature is very useful. So all the buttons of the adaptive cruise control are controlled on the right side of the steering wheel, more specifically these three outside ones on this Hyundai Sonata. So the first one we have is the cruise button. This one turns the system on and off here in the dash. The next one we have is the toggle switch, which functions as the resume, cancel, and set, as well as the increase and decrease of speed. And lastly, we have the distance button here on the bottom, which increases or decreases your set distance between the vehicle in front of you. So to engage adaptive cruise control, you can simply press the cruise button. This turns the entire system on. Then you can press the set by pressing down on the toggle switch. This will set you to your current speed traveled. Then from there, you can adjust the speed up and down with the plus or minus. And finally, you can set your distance that you want between you and the vehicle in front of you with this distance indicator. We're currently at the farthest distance, which is 4 bars. So you can set it between 4, 3, 2, and 1 as a distance. So as you can see, the vehicle in front of us is actually going below the set speed and the speed limit on this road. And the Sonata is automatically adjusting its speed to match their speed, as well as keeping the preset distance I have set here in the Sonata between it and the vehicle in front of us. So here's a perfect example. The smart cruise control is engaged. The person in front of us is braking for this construction zone, and the vehicle automatically slowed down, has maintained the distance that I have set between the vehicle and the vehicle in front of us, and we are currently matching their speed through this construction zone. So as we come out of this construction zone, the vehicle is going to move into the right lane. The Sonata is set at 70 miles an hour. So we will resume getting up to that set speed without me touching the gas pedal at all. And normal cruise resumes at this point until I encounter a vehicle in front of us that is either going slower or in the way. Then the Sonata will automatically slow down, match their speed until they move out of the way. So if I hit the cancel button here on the steering wheel or press the brake pedal, this will cancel the current set speed on the vehicle. Now if you want to resume cruise control, simply press the resume button and this will go back to the set speed you had last. And if you want to set a new speed from a canceled cruise control, simply hit the set button and this will set it at your current speed being traveled. Okay, so we can see we are approaching a red light in front of us here. The vehicle is slowing down according to the vehicle in front of us. I'm not touching the brake at all. The vehicle will come to a complete stop, again without me touching the brake. And again, we are now completely stopped without me touching the brake, and you can see the vehicle either says to press resume or tap the gas pedal once the light turns green and the vehicle in front of us is moving. So I press the adaptive cruise control button, the resume button on the steering wheel, and we are now back to resuming adaptive cruise control. Now you can see the system is quite leisurely, so I'm going to go ahead and use the accelerator pedal. Speed up just a little bit quicker than the system was doing it. But as you can see, you can come to a complete stop without ever touching the brake. So in that situation, if you were to press the brake pedal, then you would need to fully stop yourself in the vehicle because the system is now deactivated from smart cruise control. So once you tap on the brake, the system is fully under your control and there's no more smart cruise control engaged. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful on how to use your adaptive cruise control or smart cruise control function in your Hyundai vehicle. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do those all in the comment section below. I read every single one of them. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and checking out some of the content that is currently available. We post videos almost every single day, so there's always new content to be watching on the channel. So hopefully you guys are enjoying that. And with all that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video.